Welcome back. Hopefully by this point you've already compiled a list of niches which you are interested in and you think may be a good fit to target. Well, in this video, we are going to look at how you can validate those niches to determine which is the best one out of the ones you have listed and which is the one you should move forward with. As affiliate marketers, we want to base all our decisions on data and never guess or go with our gut feeling, as remember, this is a business after all, so it needs to make business and financial sense. So what I'm going to do is go through my 3-step proven process that I use to determine which niche is going to be the best to target. Now, just as a note of warning, I am going to be viewing these niches based on generating sales via my website, ranking high on Google. So using the traffic source of SEO pretty much. If you do not plan on using SEO as your marketing technique, maybe you're planning to just promote your affiliate links on social media, then of course some part of this process will not apply, but I still recommend you give it a watch as it will help you understand the core things we look at and take into consideration when determining the best niche to move forward with. And just before we go through my 3-step process, just for the sake of clarity, you can see I've added 2 more niches on this niche rating spreadsheet. I've got recliners and table saws. I did not use any mysterious way to find these niches. I found both of these on Flippa. As you can see, we've got recliners right here. I think I actually showed this in the previous video. And I found another listing on Flippa for power tools. Although when you actually go over to this website, for example, if I open it in a new tab on Google, you can see although it says it's about power tools, it's actually about saws like best table saw, mitre saw and stuff like that, which is exactly why when I put it on my spreadsheet I said table saws. So I did a few more niches on here just to make it a little bit longer and to give it more context as well. So now we have that out of the way, let's go over to the PowerPoint slides and we'll run through the 3-step process. So the first thing you're going to want to take a look at when it comes to validating a niche is number 1, the income potential. This is pretty much as it sounds. Here we want to identify roughly how much money we can expect to make if we go ahead with this topic. Now, it's important to stress that this is notoriously difficult to predict as there are so many different variables involved, such as what marketing technique you're going to be used. Are you going for social media? Are you going to be promoting your links in forums, Facebook groups, through SEO, paid advertisements? Another variable is how good of a marketer you actually are, the competition you're up against. There are so many variables, but essentially I'm going to go through my process, which will help give you a rough estimation on how much money the niche actually has within it. The second part of the niche validation process is the niche longevity, and pretty much here we're going to determine, is there any longevity in the niche, or is it just a seasonal niche? Are sales consistent? I'll show you exactly how we can go through that. And the third part of the niche validation process is the rankability. So pretty much how hard is it to rank in Google? Is it even feasible? As if it's not, then we probably don't want to waste money targeting that niche, regardless of how much income potential it has. So if you follow these 3 steps, you are drastically going to increase the chances of you succeeding when it comes to affiliate marketing. There is a lot involved in these videos, as you're about to see. I do have a lot of technical processes and a lot of online tools and calculators I've created myself to help streamline this process. And of course, I'll be sharing all of these with you in the next few videos. But that is pretty much a high-level overview of the niche validation process. So I'm going to see you in the next video where we're going to go through the first part of niche validation, which is determining the income potential.